Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. A conversation between two friends about a reunion. So let's get started. Jay, hello. Am I talking to Peter? Peter, hello. Yes, Peter here. May I ask who is on the line? Jay, Peter, it's me. Jay from college. Do you remember me from college days? Peter, hey Jay, how are you? It's been such a long time. I'm sorry I couldn't recall your voice. Reason being, we have been isolated after finishing college. It's been quite a while though. Jay, I'm doing great, yes, 4 long years after college. Yet it doesn't mean that we have parted ways. You know, life is full of ups and downs. We lost several friends during that time. Most of us left for other countries, and we have no news about them, neither their contact numbers. I got your contact number from Alex. You remember him, right? Yes, I do remember him. Wasn't he the one who topped our English literature batch and used to play guitar as well? Peter, yes, that's him. He's in Chicago now and working as a lecturer in one of the renowned universities there. Jay, partially the main reason I called you up is that I'm planning to organize a reunion of our batch and wanted to know if you could possibly make it. Peter, oh, really? I would love to attend the reunion. Just let me know the time and venue. Jay, do you remember Alpha Restaurant, where we used to go almost daily during our college days? Peter, how can I forget that restaurant? We all have spent so much time at that place over the years. Jay, that's the place for our reunion. I have already sent invitations to our friends, as well as a few professors of our time. Peter, splendid. I eagerly await the reunion. Jay, I have to contact a few other friends. Let's hope they can make it. We'll send you the details within 2 days. Meet you soon. Bye. Peter, sure. Bye.